Today, we're exploring MBA updates for the UCLA Anderson School of Management's MBA program for the fall intake 2025. Let's start with the application deadlines. Round 1, October 1st, 2024. Round 2, January 6th, 2025. Round 3, April 7th, 2025. Next, let's review the admission requirements. GRE or GMAT scores, online application, 2 letters of recommendation, 3 short answer questions, interview by invitation. Now, let's discuss the essay topics for the 2025 intake. UCLA Anderson has designed 3 essay questions. The first essay asks about your reasons for pursuing an MBA. This question aims to understand your motivations and how an MBA fits into your career trajectory. The second essay focuses on your short-term and long-term post-MBA career goals. Here, UCLA wants to see clarity in your career vision and how their program aligns with your aspirations. The third essay is particularly intriguing. It asks how you plan to achieve your goals and develop into a transformative leader at UCLA Anderson. This question allows you to demonstrate your understanding of Anderson's mission and how you'll engage with their program to grow as a leader. These essays collectively provide a comprehensive view of your profile ambitions and fit with UCLA Anderson's ethos. Moving on to the class profile for 2025. Class size 296 students, women 40%, average work experience 5.7 years, average age 29 years, average GPA 3.4. Regarding test scores and diversity, median GMAT 709, GMAT range middle 80%, 640, 760, GPA range middle 80%, 3.1, 3.8. Countries represented 57. Here are some valuable tips for applicants. Introspect deeply to align your goals with Anderson's program. Start your application process early. Edit your essays ruthlessly for clarity and impact. We wish you success in your MBA application. As always, remember to like and share the video. Subscribe to our channel for regular updates.